Have you ever looked at a totally ordinary seeming animal and realized, wait, this creature is actually hiding some incredible secrets? Well, today we're doing exactly that. We're jumping right into this explainer to uncover the amazing, kind of mind-blowing facts about the common moorhen. It might look plain at first glance, but man, it is an absolute master of its environment.
We're kicking things off with a total riddle. What swims beautifully in the water, just like a duck, but the second it hits land, it's running around with the rapid-fire agility of a barnyard hen? Sounds made up, right? Like some weird mythical mashup of two totally different animals? But no, it's very real, and it's a total marvel of adaptation.
Section 1. The Water Hen Paradox.
This bizarre double life is actually exactly why locals named it the jalmurgi, which literally translates to water hen. Think about it. When it's on land, it struts around the ground, pecking for seeds and grains exactly like a regular chicken. But it spends almost its entire life either actively swimming in or hanging out right next to the water. It's kind of like a land bird completely trapped in a water bird's lifestyle.
Section 2. Anatomy of a survivor.
Now, this bird has a really distinct look that absolutely makes it stand out in the wild. Most of its body is this sleek dark gray or black, but then it's got these crazy pops of color. You'll see this super bright red beak tipped with yellow. Plus, if you look close, there's a crisp white stripe along the edges of its wings, and it stands on these surprisingly long bright green legs. Depending on where you live, you might actually hear people call it the neeli morgi, the blue hen, or kali morgi, the black hen, just because of those striking, vivid colors. But here is the craziest part, the grand paradox. It is a master swimmer with absolutely no webbed feet. I know, right? Ducks, swans, they all need webs to push through the water. Not the jalmurgi. Instead, it has these exceptionally long, widely spread out toes. These specific toes spread its weight out perfectly. So perfectly, in fact, that the bird can literally walk on top of floating lotus leaves and water grasses without sinking at all. It's basically like nature gave it a pair of built-in snowshoes, but for a wetland.
Section 3. Life in the wetlands.
So where do they live? Pretty much everywhere. They're highly adaptable and thrive in wetlands across Asia, Africa, Europe, and even Australia. If you look at India specifically, they are absolute masters of utilizing the local geography. From the marshes of UP and Bihar to the ponds of Bengal or rivers stretching all the way from Rajasthan and Gujarat down to the south, they always find a way to thrive. Basically, give them some mud, a lotus pond, and some grassy reeds, and they are incredibly happy. And what exactly fuels this global takeover? Well, they'll eat almost anything. Small water insects? Yep. Snails and tiny fish? For sure. They'll even use that strong beak to tear off soft water plant leaves and tough twigs.